Hello everyone. So today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge. Unique Morse Code Words. So basically in this question, we are given with this particular definition. So as per this definition, A is basically mapped to this particular sequence of characters. B is mapped to this and C is mapped to this. But now the thing is that do we require to remember it now? Then we are given with whole A to Z. Everything is given in this particular sequence. Now let us come to main question. That given an array of strings, words, where each word can be written as a concatenation of the Morse code of each letter. For example, cap can be written as this particular thing, where C, A, B, you could directly see from here, C which is this. So C is this particular portion, and then A would have been this dot and this, right? And then B is this particular portion. So it is basically concatenation of each character which is being written in this word. So now comes that we will call such a concatenation the transformation of the word. So now what next they want us to do? So we are required to return the number of different transformations among all words we have. Means a lot of words are given to us, and in this after concatenation, we surely will come to a particular word which would be similar also or which would be dissimilar also. You can see both of them are similar ones, right? Although they are made up of different words, gin and zen, but after they are being made up, they are now similar after concatenation, and same goes for this both of them. So that's why we are having two transformation in total possible for all the words which are being given to us. So now, what intuition comes to your mind after seeing that there is some characters which are mapped to basically some other character, and then again what we are required to return is some unique transformation. So after all these particular things, the first thing which comes to mind is about usage of map or set. Basically this question is based on hashing. So that's why now here hashing would be used. First thing is that we are required to create a hash map, or even we could create a string in which we would be mapping our each character according to the indices, and then after concatenation of the same we will be storing them into a set or map or unordered map or unordered set, and then at the end we will be returning the size of that data structure. As per the constraints, we can see that there are 100 words only, okay, and each length is still 12 only, and word of I consists of only lower case in English letters only. So as the word length is 100, so the thing is that only there would be means A, B, this would be till 100 only. So that's why we can easily traverse this particular means order of n solution is valid here. Even n square would also valid, but as per we would be using some external data structure, that is hashing would be done. So the solution would go till order of n itself. And now space complexity, because we would be mapping, right? So because of this mapping only, we would be requiring some data structure, and for that order of n would be used. And n here simply refers to the number of words which are being there. So this is for the time complexity and this is for the space complexity of this particular question. Now let us code for this particular question, that how the code goes on. I hope now the explanation is also clear, and even how we can come up with approach, that is also clear. Now let us code the same. In this you can see that we are given with this particular vector, string and word. Basically a vector which is of string data, right? Thus we will create a vector of string. I've given it name as Morse, just because from this Morse international language. But Now, the next thing, this unordered set is basically for the fact that at the end we are required to return the unique transformation. So I will be returning size of this unordered set. So now how I will be going on. Now from this particular word, I will be picking up one string word W, and then here I have written code. Why I have written here, why I have not written anywhere here, just because of the fact so that it could be initialized again and again in this particular whenever a new word is taken from this word vector of string. Then from that word I will be taking each character, and then I would be concatenating this by this format. That is the thing I would be doing. And here comes the part of this particular move. Basically this C minus A, this thing would be directly enabling us to access that particular index, means this will act as index, and then wherever that index would be, it will give us that value. Now here comes one s dot insert code. So basically we are required to insert this particular code into this code which was finally made. We will insert that into another set, and like this we will be able to go through all the words which are being given to us, and then at the end all the unique transformation, means there are four, so out of these four only two were unique, right? So these two unique transformation would be there in this particular set, another set, and as there are only two transformations which are unique, so at the end we will be returning the size of the set. So this was all for this particular question. I have also not, no, earlier I had also done, but I didn't remember that I had done this question. Yeah. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could directly comment that down, or yeah, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.